I'm the leader of the work package 6. This is on the development of novel and refined methods to measure body composition, health, and also welfare of animals. And so my task is to kind of like coordinate the work of all my colleagues from different parts of the PIG community, such as from Aarhus University, Sweden, INRA, of course, and so many colleagues are working on that. And so my privilege is to really try to organize and to coordinate everything. So it improves, of course, the cooperation between PIG researchers, and this is very helpful because this will also lead to asking the right questions, better questions, and also acquire the funding money, because this research costs a lot of money, and if we work in this together, that would make much more progress as if I would do it alone. I have been trained in animal science, of course, but then my career took a turn and I worked in human nutrition for almost 15 years, where I did fundamental research in amino acids and fat metabolism. And then I realized that the rodent studies are not giving the right answer, so we moved towards doing PIG research, because the PIG physiology is of course very similar to that of the human. And so I started doing more and more PIG work, and then I was offered a position at the Research Institute for Farm Animal Biology in Dummersdorf, Germany, and that gave me the opportunity to really start over the PIG work. Well, this is such a wonderful surprise, and I feel very fortunate and privileged to have received this award. And of course, it's a recognition, not just for my work, but also for my colleagues and my team, which put a lot of effort in our work. I would recommend to the young scientists that they should do what they like to do. So they should select a topic which really their heart is in, and so that would give you the most fun also for doing research. And if you like what you do, I think you will be also good at what you do, and that would help you also in making progress and acquire money and all the things which are necessary to be a good scientist. The future, I will, of course, continue being interested in PIG research. So we will continue working on PIGWEB, of course. There are still many results we need to evaluate, and also, of course, write papers. And so my interest is actually a very general interest. So I want to reduce animal losses, so pig losses, especially weaning pigs and suckling pig losses, and that's my interest. And the other interest is to improve the use of feed with lesser competition with human food, so that we create diets which are not as heavy on grain as they used to be, for instance, and we can use more byproducts and more side streams to feed our farm animals. The private sector can use the results to find solutions for various types of problems in pig research, because the results we produce are very fundamental things. And this is always needed to find solutions, to change things. You need to know how it works, what are the mechanisms behind the results. And this is what I'm interested to do. And so I hope that the private sector can capitalize on these results.